Welcome back to derivbinaryoptions.com. So this is the hedging part. This is the hedging section. So you just put whatever you want to execute your trades, let's say at 10 USD, and then remember you can convert these to your local currency. So whatever you want to see, you can execute trades. So the martingale, let's put something which is trist good, and then let me show you how this hedging bot works. So I told you it trades on one side and the other side it also trades. So you must expect a win and a loss. And then in the next process it will still win. So where will you only lose? You will only lose when the last digit is zero, is digit 5 and digit 4. And what is the advantage? That now it is able to execute what we call martingale. So you can see every time it sends two trades at the same time. So you'll only lose whenever digit 5 appears, and you can see like that digit 5 has appeared, digit 4 has also appeared, martingale happened, you recovered back. So you'll get yourself making something out of it. Digit 5 has appeared, digit 7 recovered. So it's a very nice hedging board, and you can consider, you can see these currencies on Kenyan amount. So if you have something, if you can do this and print something each and every day. Let's say you can target like 20,000 20,000 Kenyan shillings. So we will be seeing in other currencies. So how much is that? You can see that is 18,000 Kenyan shillings. You can see how that bot is working. Digit first appeared, martingale considered, then it proceeds. Martingale again considered 20,000. So you can stop now from this end here. So you need to be very fast. So you can see digit 4 has appeared. We need to run that bot again so that we can reach the target, that is 20,000. I wish we had done, but now considering that we will do the auto trade again, it won't do the martingale. So we are going to proceed just the normal way until maybe another loss has happened, and then it does the martingale. So you can see stop because you are at 20. If you can be doing this, you want to mean you cannot create something. Can you see the total profit? That is 20,000 163. Now let's consider seeing what is this in other currencies. So let me just screenshot that. So you can change these to your currency. So you just remove that icon there and then change, click to this end here. So let me just screenshot that hedging bot so that you understand what bot is being used. So this is hedging trading. One side you lose, one side you win. Best part, it is trades mostly also on every tick, so it doesn't miss. So no derailment. So you just click here, you can change to your own currency. You can, let's see how much is this in Nigeria, and you can see 213 something Niger, so naira. So that is the amount you could be having, you can make per day. And then let's consider checking again what other currency we can use. So you just click there and then change these. Let's change these to what currency? South Africa. Let's see this one. You can see the currency. So if you are from any country, it's now very easy to execute your trades. It is very easy. If you want to consider using a small amount and then you trade, use your own currency. Use your own currency. You can see that. Let's look for, that was Pakistan, and let's look for another. Brazil. I know most of my community also are from Brazil, all those who text me. So you can see that's why I'm considering each and everyone here. So let's go to TZ. Also, people from the Tanzania community have also been texting me. You can see that is 404 697 TZ. And then also the Uganda people have also texted me, and many other people. So as long as you can see that you can trade using your currency, try that and comment on this video whether that feature is awesome. Let's meet in the next video.